Oh my god, look at that beauty. Ooh. What is up, guys? In this new video of the G35, we're gonna get some tinted windows. So I've had this car for about like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and I've noticed that the first thing that I had in my other G35 was tinted windows, and it's a must when I'm driving down the street or anything. I feel like the sun is just killing my skin. I'm getting skin cancer as I'm talking right now, so you can tell. So today it's a must to get tinted windows on the G35. So let me show you guys how it looks beforehand, and I'll show you guys how it looks after. So this is how the car looks like right now. So you can tell, no tinted windows in the back or in the sides. Looks like a fishbowl when I'm driving. You can definitely tell. You can see right through everything when I'm driving, and what I'm trying to do is change that and trying to make it to where these are limo, to where this back one is a limo, and this one might be 15%. I am in California, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. I had in my other G 15% in the front, but I'm trying to get rid of the fishbowl look. So let's go ahead and see how much they charge, and I'm probably gonna end up getting it regardless. But yeah.
2,000 years later.
Okay, now fast forward to the next week. All the tint places were closed that week that I went, so I waited for the next week to record it. So you guys saw the before, now let me show you the after. Now here is the after. I just got it done. I paid $110. So I went with 5% in the back because, you know, I don't want the biggest one of the biggest windshields, the back and the front, to be you know, pretty light on. So I wanted to make it all black on this one. So I do have plans on taking off the roof rack and getting this roof wrap. With 5% on this one, 15% on this. It's 5% more darker than the law lets you, but regardless, you can't really tell. I had this in my previous G, so it's pretty good. I didn't get anything in the front windshield, but yeah, this is how it looks inside. You don't have any problems looking inside of the car. So as you can tell, it kind of helps, honestly, to be able to see outside without the blaring sun. I didn't get anything in the front, like I said. And then on the side, again, it helps so much for color, honestly, recording. So you can tell it's like really hard for it to, you know, focus fast. But then right here, it's like perfectly fine. And you get really good color out of it, actually. Mainly, I'm worried about the back one when I'm reversing at night, which may be a bit of a problem because I did have a couple problems with my previous G on that. There are a lot of little air bubbles, if you can see some waviness in the tint. The guy said that I shouldn't worry too much about it. It should come off in a couple days with the sun. So if you guys have a G and you guys are wondering what percentage to get, I recommend getting the back ones 5, even the little small ones on the side, get them 5, and then with the front ones you can risk it running a 10% or even you know, 5%. It does get a little bit hard to see at night with the 5% in the back. But it shouldn't be too much of a problem if you guys are willing to, you know, go through with that. That's kind of it with the whole G35 tint. It does make the car look better, and I think overall the car just, you know, gets cooler. So you don't get your interior messed up, for example, like, you know, you don't get these panels to come off. And I know this is a big issue on the G35s, where this starts peeling off from the corners. Protects your seats. Your seats are going to be in better condition than if you didn't. Your dash, obviously, if you got the front one, which I do recommend getting the front one, but I would get a very, very light one. Maybe even a 35% one would be probably ideal for, you know, the windshield. So that is gonna be it for this video. I have a lot of things planned for this G35. Just bought it a couple weeks ago. I'm gonna start making, you know, a lot of content with this particular vehicle because I had a G35. I was gonna make content and I just never did because I don't know. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new around here. A bunch of videos coming up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.